Hello everyone, my name is Janelle and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, it's actually a very quick pep talk on building your confidence to wear a head wrap. So over the years, I've gotten so many compliments on the head wrap styles that I put together, and from time to time I talk with different people. I'd say, hey, it's fairly easy to do, I can show you. And sometimes the feedback I'd get is, oh my goodness, there's no way I could do that, it's too complicated. You know, it wouldn't look nice on me, my head is too big. And I'm like, huh? Like, I have never seen anyone wear a head wrap and think, oh my goodness, they need to take that off like ASAP. And so I'm hoping this video will encourage someone out there to give head wraps a try. As I mentioned in my previous video, especially if you want to start out with something smaller, that's more manageable, that's always a good thing. And at the end of this video, I have some quick go-to styles that you can do, and hopefully that'll be a great way for you to get started. As you can tell, my ensemble is a little bit different today. I am a nurse, and so for Nurses Week, I just wanted to give a shout out to my colleagues and all the essential workers that are working so hard during this time. So that's it for now. Take care.